Hello, Mosh, Bari here. Welcome to this video. In this video, I will share a passive income stream. It's pretty classic, proven, well-known. Everybody can do it, whether you have technical knowledge or not, whether you are a complete beginner or a professional. It will give you passive income, literally set and forget. Everything will be done by a website that has around 1 billion monthly users, and my premium software 100% free for my YouTube viewers. Links will be found in the description. You can take them anytime you want, and you don't really need the knowledge I'm about to share with you, because you don't really need to know how a car engine works in order to own a car and drive a car. So whether you know about this technique or not, you will still get results. So let's begin. Before we begin, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you get notified instantly when we will upload our next video. And yes, make sure you use the share button and share this video with your friends and family and all your social contacts on Facebook, on Twitter, on Pinterest, every single places. Use WhatsApp, use messages to share this video with all your contacts, so they also get benefited from this education, information, and my premium softwares 100% free. Links in the description. So all the heavy lifting will be done by my software, leveraging the power of this website I'm about to share. Let us begin. We are looking at the traffic analytics of a website named Pinterest. So you probably already know about Pinterest. In case you don't know, that Pinterest is a simple website like this. People share images on Pinterest, something like Instagram. But Pinterest has a better and bigger advantage than Instagram. In Instagram, you can simply share your image, but you cannot share your links in your posts. But in Pinterest, when you upload an image, you can connect a link or an URL with this image. Let's give you an example. This particular image, it has a link connected to it. If you click on that link, you will be on the website. And interestingly, this website gets a lot of visitors from Pinterest. Now, what is the use of these visitors and how much visitors do they get from Pinterest? Before going to that, let's talk about this website. What is this website? How is this built? Whether you can own something like this or not, that's the good part. My software will build websites like this, even far better, far more professional like this, without you even doing literally anything. You set and forget, a few clicks, and the software will build websites like this completely free. It's down below, link is in the below, go get it. So let's check how this website is built. This website is built on WordPress, and basically it is a very basic website. They didn't do much modification. They didn't even try to make it professional. They simply added some image and added a little bit of text that literally anyone can add. Any AI software can do it, and even you can copy or even you can write yourself. My software, link in the description, will write it for you. Don't worry about it. And they added some images. These are not images, these are ads. Okay, now the question, where are you going to get images like this? They look like quite some serious image. They are from Instagram, and these website owners even left the full credit to the original owners. Here we see credit. This is the handle of the Instagram account, /Instagram. Just like this, they kept adding images and little bit of text, and that's it. Now let us see how much traffic they have. They have 125,000 monthly visitors. This is huge. If you have any idea about traffic, then you know how hard it is to get traffic. But apparently from Pinterest, it's super easy. Link in the description. My software will publish blog posts just like this website and automatically share that post with Pinterest, and it will connect the images with your blog or your website. So you get traffic from Pinterest to your website. Now let's look at the details of traffic. 50% of the traffic comes from social media and 100% social media traffic comes from Pinterest, which means this website gets around 60,000 monthly visitors from Pinterest. Now, you might be saying, okay, how are they making money? They are making money from the clicks on these ads through Google AdSense. But unfortunately, they are not doing the most important thing that they should do in order to make real money online. They should add an opt-in form. First of all, build relationship through emails and then offer something that can be a paid offer or a service offer or even affiliate offer and can make money from there. And even there are ways you can generate commissions by simply sending clicks. Link in the description. Now, there are so many links in the description that are my video links that shows you so many ways to make money just by sending clicks to a specific link. But they're not doing anything, so I have no idea what will happen in case their website goes down, their hosting stops working, or Pinterest or any other algorithm changes. So this is what you should be doing, and link in the description will give you my software that will help you build list without any effort from you. It turns any PDF into your opt-in page. It turns the same PDF into the lead magnet, and it drives referral traffic without you ever doing anything. So go get that software, it's free. Now the second way to make money is a website called Flippa. Now once you have significant amount of traffic and good amount of revenue generating from your website, no matter what your business method is, you can sell the complete website, including the domain and all your contents on Flippa. So this is so interesting. If the website generates $9,000 monthly profit, the asking price is $420,000. Now this is an 8-year-old website and they're putting it as confidential. But there are younger websites, like example 1 year age, and monthly net profit is $1,943 and the asking price is $42,000. So whatever money you are making from your website, whether it's by sending clicks or selling affiliate offers or whatever it is, first of all, you are making good amount of monthly profit. And then when you flip your website on Flippa, you make additional 42 to here's another one 50,000, another one 86,000. Although they're showing they're 7 years, 8 years old, but this age doesn't matter as long as organic traffic is high and you tell the buyer how to continue getting this kind of profit, they will pay for your website and you make around 6 figures, and this one is being sold for 200,000. Another one $420,000. Super awesome. Good amount of money, right? So your regular net profit plus your profit from flipping the website. So that's why I said that building a website or a blog is a pretty classic way to run an online business and make money online. But as my softwares are doing literally everything for you without you ever creating a content, without you ever trying to build a lead magnet to build list or use an opt-in page to build list and even generate traffic from Pinterest, nothing you are doing actively. All you are doing is called set and forget, and my softwares are doing the rest. All the softwares I mentioned in this video are in the description. Go grab them, it's 100% free, and use them to build your website, get traffic from Pinterest automatically, and later flip them on Flippa and make all the money you want. Did you like this video so far? If yes, hit the like button, subscribe, switch on the notification bell button, as this way you will get notified when we will upload our next video. And of course, the next video will come with another awesome way to make money online and our premium software is 100% free. Don't forget to use the share button and let all your friends and family, social media contacts know about our videos so they also make money online and they know you as a helpful person, a cool person who shares awesome information, education, and software. And this way, you build authority in your niche, which is one of the most important requirements to make money online. So yes, go ahead, do all these things, and we will see you in the next video.